Okay guys, so now it's nighttime, but I want to show you what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Okay, so first of all, I want to remove all this fake wood. Here is the fake climate control is fake. Here is the fake wood. It's some Chinese stuff from eBay. Here is also so this one, and at the same time I want to change nearly all lighting bulbs. Okay, here is I want to show you why. Now I turn on the lights, and I'm not worried about the radio because I'm gonna change it anyway to the with the mini disc or CD, the same one original. But here is no lights. Also on instrument cluster you can see clearly that one light is broken here. I will replace all the bulbs because if I change one, after a week or two another will go bad, and it has to be changed all. So I will change all of here, instrument cluster, and everything here, including the climate control. Okay, so I'll see you in the morning. Hi, so it's the next day. As I told you yesterday, I want to remove the fake wood and change all the lighting bulbs. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, I have some tools with me. Should be easy fix. Now I will go to my electrician. Actually, he will be back in 1 hour, so I still have a time. So let's do a cleaning in that time. Okay, while I got some time, at first I'm gonna use the plastic to clean to remove the fake wood, and there will be some glue left, so I'm gonna use the electrical alcohol. I think it's 97 or 96% alcohol, so this one will not do the damage to the plastic. Okay, so let's remove it carefully. That's it. It took me, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes at most. Now we'll grab the alcohol. And just clean it. Beautiful, as original as should be. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move to climate control. Same job. Now, beautiful. I can't believe that actually someone pays money for this crap. People, love your car as it is. Doesn't look good. I almost forgot about this part. done for the moment. Let's go to our electrician. Okay, so let's put everything back and we'll see how it goes. I had to drive a bit, so I already connected back the cluster, but I didn't screw back. I'm gonna do it now. When the electrician was changing the lighting bulbs, it was a good time for me to clean the inside the cluster. Same as with the climate control. Okay, I did clean the screen inside, all the dust. Okay, so let's get back to business. I had to move the car a bit to get more quiet, and it's getting dark, so I have to finish. Okay, so I think we're done. Oh, I forgot about these. Let's put them back. Yeah, let's clean out and let's go to have a look in more bright place. Okay, so I just got finished everything. No more fake wood. Okay, all lights are fixed. Everything works as it should now. All bulbs are changed. Okay, no more wood. I don't know how about you guys, but I prefer the car in the condition as it came from factory. I don't like anything, any Chinese stuff, or I don't know how you call it, bling bling stuff. Okay, so upper dashboard is has damage from the sun. Okay, so I can't fix those grills in. Probably I will look around for a new old stock. Okay, because here is few things peeling off. So this is why I don't glue the grill now, because I want to change the upper side of the dashboard. Okay, also when I was cleaning out the fake wood, at first I scratch out the radio, but I don't mind because I'm gonna change it. Okay, and of course during all this work I have to broke something, so I will fix it later on. Okay, car is not clean yet. I don't go for details. I want to fix major problems first, and later I will do the videos of the inside and outside detailing. I will do one more quick video in the night time, so you will see the lights. So as I told you before, this is how it looks after all the lighting bulbs fixed. So the dashboard is great now. It's even brighter than was before because I put the new bulbs, cleaned everything inside. Also here is everything light up. And let's continue to do the work on the car. Okay, all the detailing, suspension work, engine work. I want to upgrade the music. Okay, I will see you on the next video.